1 2 3. So guys, 3 boxes जिसको हमको unbox करना है अभी. So very excited for this. So it's a good amount of money that I've spent on these 3 things to complete my vlogging setup, which is mostly for motovlogging, which I consider, and which I, if you see, I'm more into motovlogging nowadays, and this is going to be very essential for me. So I've ordered the Ulanzi case, I've ordered a GoPro mic, and also I've ordered the GoPro adapter. Okay, so we'll quickly unbox and we'll check, and it's just an unboxing video. I know there are a lot of videos, but as a YouTuber, as a vlogger, anything you purchase, you want to unbox it and share it with your subscribers, or share it with anyone. That will also help you all guys to gauge आपको भी थोड़ा मदद मिलेगा कि कैसा product है और how does it work. So that's the reason why I want to make this vlog, share it with you all, and also the quality, the voice quality, and how does it work. We'll get to know everything on this video. So this is how it looks. So you can see this one box, and there is another small box. This is the Ulanzi. So small it is. But packing इतना बड़ा box में दिया है, ठीक है. This is how it is. इसको रखते हैं side में. Open up this. Alright, this is how it is. You get this Ulanzi का sticker. ठीक है. This was Ulanzi का sticker. There are a lot of things. This is the case, which is in this bubble wrap. And what else is there? Yeah, and this is what we have in it. So I don't need the stickers. All I need is this case. Wow, nice case. That's it. This costed me around 1100. I'll put all the link in the description if you all want to purchase, all the purchase link of all the products what I have got. So yes, this is how it is. Yeah, GoPro will go into this. How does this open up or figure out? And most importantly, as you can see, there is a cold shoe mount out here, so we can like this. So I'll set it up. ठीक है, इसको भी रख देता हूँ मैं साइड में. So next item, one thing I'm unboxing now. इसमें क्या है? That's it. So this just comes in ऐसा थैली में आया, और ये बबल रैप. GoPro adapter. ये अपना GoPro adapter, and very neatly packed. छोटा सा है. Just imagine 5 grand for this. ऐसा क्या है इसमें? ना पैकेजिंग पे पैकेजिंग. And this is how it is. ठीक है. Very neatly packed. Just imagine, oh my god, I'm paying 5 grand for this. 5 grand for this, guys. So this is all I needed, actually, to be honest. So this will go into my GoPro. Yeah. यहाँ पे ऐसा लगेगा. Alright. So in this big box, there isn't much. But here it is. This is what I needed. So this is a Boya का microphone, ठीक है, a mic which I always needed, and this is going to be very much helpful for me. Wow, this is amazing. This is like, I can say it's amazing. कोई पैसा वसूल. Again in this you have this Boya का ये क्या है, सब sticker विकर and all your warranty card and other stuff. I'll look into that later. सब कचरा कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. So this is a beautiful, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, cattail or whatever, I don't know. It just covers the mic. This is actually called vlogging set. ठीक है, बोया का qualified, certified, whatever it is. ठीक है. Okay, this is the mount. A lot of things out here. So this is like a holder. फिर ये उसका the mic connector. What do you call it? I don't know. There another one. And silica gel and a beautiful pouch. Wow, Boya, perfect. So this ultimately costed me around 10 grand, nearly around 10 grand, with one more thing, which is my helmet. So this is the new Vega helmet. So I got this quite early, so I unboxed it prior, and just because I wanted to mount this. ये दिख रहा है आपको, ठीक है? So this is my proper helmet, and I've also set the mic here. If you can see, दिख रहा है क्या? Mic within here, ठीक है? ठीक है? And the cushion is removable. Yeah, ना? You can easily remove it out. So I put the mic within. And very nice material. So it's washable. You can just remove the straps out and you can wash it. Use my GoPro with the internal mic. Okay. So when I ride at a speed of around 30, you can hear me quite clearly. But when I go around the speed of 50, then the voice is totally blown off by the wind noise. So I think this is going to help me. The new setup. That's the reason why I've spent good amount in fact I can call it an investment for my vlogs and for the upcoming videos, so that you all can enjoy the audio and the video quality. Very important, guys. So anyone who's starting up with a YouTube channel, you can start investing in all this. I'll put a link in the description for all the accessories that I've purchased, so you all can easily purchase it. Okay, so here it is. So I've put in the adapter, this Ulanzi case, the GoPro in. So, just put this GoPro in. So this is how it has to be, and then so lock. Okay. In fact, I gifted this for myself on Valentine's Day, but unfortunately I couldn't unbox it because I'm so busy with my work schedule and all other family commitments. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just unboxed this. I show you what is in it, and I hope this help you all. I'll quickly move out. We'll motovlog. I'll test the audio of this. Okay. So the best advantage of having this is because it has removable cushions which can be easily removed, and then you can again fix it back. You can fix it back like this. So that is the best part about having this helmet. And also you can have it opened, and then you also can have it closed like this. Closed, and you can also have it opened like this. So this is how it is, and then you can close it down. So I'm come outdoors. Sorry for the lighting conditions. It's almost 6:30 in the evening and it gets dark quite soon. So I'll quickly vlog a bit and the GoPro with and without the mic. Alright guys, so this is the GoPro right now, which is with the mic, and this is how it is. I have not put the tripod because I'm using the tripod right now. So this is how it's going to be, and this is how you will see the footage. I just hope the voice is nice and crisp and clear. Okay, this is how it's going to be. Okay, the only difference is that this cattail, what is called, if it's in a linear mode, then it doesn't come, you can't see it. But if it's in a wider mode, that is where it can be seen. So that is the only problem you have. And I'm just checking the voice quality. I don't know how it's going to be, but I just hope it will be good with this sort of setup. You'll be able to hear me. Okay. So now I'm recording. You can see this. I've just removed this cord out, and this is the internal mic. So I just hope that the sound is going to be nice. So this is the actual sound. So it's without the mic. This is how it's going to sound. And yes, I'm just testing it so that you all can see it. Okay. So I'm just going to show you all the samples so you can judge if you all want to purchase this sort of setup. It's very essential if you want to vlog, and this is the setup how it can be. So these are just the sample videos of this. I am going to now motovlog and show you all sample videos of motovlogging. Okay. So this is my motovlogging setup, guys. Finally, I just hope this works now, and I'm very excited. So let's ride. The amazing part was that just for the GoPro adapter, it cost me around 500 rands. That was expensive, but anyways, it's worth. And I hope you all enjoyed the audio quality. Very importantly, going forward I'll be using that, and that comes with 2 auxes, so you can also use it with your GoPro and also with any sort of vlogging setup. For example, it's a universal mic, so you can fit into your mobile phones, you can also fit into your camera, any sort of devices. It comes with 2 aux cables, which one is for your mobile phones and the other one is for the camera and the other sort of devices that you use. So I really enjoy motovlogging, so that is the reason why I purchased this, and also for the reason that since my channel is growing, and thanks to you all supporting me, and for all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for encouraging me. That's the reason why I purchased this, so that I don't want to compromise on the audio quality and also on the video quality that I provide on my channel. So it's still audible, but if you go on high speeds like say around 50 above, then there's a problem. Okay? So I came from the BKC route right now, and now I'm on the Western Express highway. Okay, so we have just switched to the external mic, and you can see the speed. So it's around 60 kilometers an hour, and this is a good high speed. So just want to test if the sound quality is nice and good. I'm on a higher speed, and the quality when I'm on higher speeds, ideally with the internal mic, there is a lot of disturbance, there is a lot of wind noise, and that is the reason why I just wanted a mic so that I can easily vlog and talk to you all on higher speeds as well. And that's the reason why I am riding on a higher speed, just to test this. I hope it's doing a good job. And this is just the generic mic. Okay, I got it for around 199 bucks, and I have never used it, so I'm getting this opportunity to use it now. I will upgrade later. I'll go for a 11-year mic. And yeah guys, so you just need to change a few settings on your GoPro audio settings, where you just need to keep it as standard mic, because if you have a powered mic, that is which comes with battery, then you need to select the option. Ye kya ho gaya yaar? Oh, this is the reason why I don't like to vlog yaar. Alright guys, so that's it. So I just took a ride and wanted to showcase how this performance is of a GoPro setup, especially when you purchase the GoPro adapter. So the GoPro adapter cost me around 5 grand, but it is still worth, because the audio quality, there's a vast difference in the audio quality, as you can see. I just wanted to showcase my setup, and the new helmet as well. This is the Crux helmet. I just forgot to mention this. So this is the Crux helmet, and I got it around 1500, which is a reasonable price. So I just request you all guys that in case if this helped you all, please hit the like button, please do share and subscribe to my channel. That's it guys, I'll see you all soon next vlog. By the way, there is a new series coming up which I've just recently visited a few places in Maharashtra. So those who are interested in motovlogging and in visiting places like the village, so stay tuned to the channel guys, and please do subscribe. Take care guys, bye.